Hello, I am going to briefly present our research line, sustainable chemical processes based on unmobilized molecular catalysts. My name is Francisco José Fernández Álvarez, and my research is focused on the green chemistry of sustainable catalysis. Our main objective is the transformation of anthropogenic waste into useful materials. For instance, you can see here in this slide how we have been able to transform carbon dioxide just using hydroxyloxanes, which are residues from the silicon industry, into useful molecules. We do this, we design transition metal complexes that can be used as catalysts for accelerate this type of reaction. Why this research is important? First, using a catalyst, you reduce the activation energy. Therefore, you will need less energy and you are saving energy. Moreover, the catalytic processes, they have usually a great atomic economy. Therefore, you are also saving, reducing the amount of waste. Moreover, our project is focused on transforming waste into products of chemical interest. Therefore, we are also recycling. We have been really successful developing several catalytic processes. However, our next step is to apply it to the industry. Therefore, we would like to design catalysts based on abundant and inexpensive transition metals and to develop supportive catalysts based on homogeneous catalysts in order to be able to use it in an industrial scale. That is all. Therefore, we are waiting for you.
Hello, my name is Jonas Oliva and I work at the University of Lleida. My research focuses on forest pathogens and other tree-associated microorganisms, and we are trying to understand how global change is changing their behavior. The reason why we focus on forest pathogens is because in the last decades we have seen that the forest condition is worsening. We really don't understand why, but we are worried because forests are the cornerstone of a sustainable development as a society. Forests are giving us for free many nice things like wood, biodiversity, recreation, and many other goods and services. And if they are sick, they will stop doing so. We don't understand why, but we have some ideas, and perhaps the main hypothesis is that the trees are getting sick because of climate change. Climate is getting more harsh, increasing temperatures, lower rainfall, and this is making the trees are more stressed. But also it's allowing pathogens to survive and to grow in places that before they could not do. We also have globalization. We are trading a lot with distant places in the world, and this is bringing us new exotic pathogens, and these pathogens the trees here are not adapted to. And finally, all these changes are happening along with a historical change in the way we use forests. Before, we used to extract many more products, and nowadays management has decreased. This creates the forests are nowadays denser, and trees are competing more between themselves. This is making that they are more stressed and susceptible to pathogens, but also these dense forests are better conditions for pathogens to grow and infect other trees. Thank you.
Hi, I am Gustavo Slaffer, the head of the crop physiology lab. The lab is formed by crop physiology and crop improvement areas, focus on understanding crop yield and quality. The focus of the group is identifying major physiological attributes and genetic bases, determining yield in wheat or barley, studying plasticity of traits, and the work is translational in nature. In the past, breeding has improved yield through improving grain number and improved grain number through improving spike weight and anthesis through introducing semi-dwarfing genes reducing plant height. In the future, we need to keep increasing spike weight and anthesis, but without further reducing plant height, And we can also try to improve fruiting efficiency, a trait related to floral development that we were working with in the last several years. The work done by the group has been not only prolific, but also receiving a high recognition from the international scientific community, with more than 1,000 references made to our papers per year in the last 3 years. The group is very much international. We have PhD students coming from many different countries in the world, and also our graduate students, when they finish the PhD, are working in many different countries, and we have research collaborators in projects or doing other kind of collaborations in all continents. So thank you for watching this presentation, and we are looking forward to working with you. Thanks.